Hi, it's Chris from 3D Printing Canada here at MMTS 2024. Glad to be part of the event with the advanced technologies and CNC and 3D leading the way. 3D Printing Canada is a leader in 3D printing, filaments, parts, supplies, etc.
We are at MMTS today in the Emerging Innovators space, sponsored by NGen, and we brought together some companies from across the country, ranging in different AI and additive technologies to really showcase the innovation that's happening across the country.
We decided again, like we did in CMTS, to have an NGen innovation area, which we find is really important to discussions with our companies to find new solutions to problems they might face. And NGen, we brought together a lot of our members, particularly AI for manufacturing members, and Canada Makes is partnered with us for additive manufacturing. But also, we really look to generate conversation. It's been going extremely well. A lot of people drop by.
3D Printing Canada has been glad to be participating in the networking and the camaraderie that it brings with networking like-minded businesses and growing the participation from different advanced manufacturers. MMTS has been a great event to meet with like-minded individuals, and we look forward to the next one.